Roughly 300,000 properties in Hillsborough County could see a change in their stormwater assessment, and for many, it will mean a substantial fee increase. Tonight, that proposal is creating a flood of complaints from property owners. 8 on Your Side's Victoria Price joins us now live from the County Center in downtown Tampa. It's got a lot of people pretty heated tonight.
Hey, Jen, absolutely. Now, nothing is set in stone so far, but the property owners I talked to, they're calling this proposed change very unfair for those with larger properties and especially unfair for those who already aren't reaping the benefits.
I almost didn't read it. I almost threw it away.
That's because Mary Chadwick thought this little blue letter was junk mail. It wasn't, but the news inside made her want to toss it even more.
The way they calculate it is totally unfair and illogical.
Hillsborough County wants to charge Chadwick $141 for this year's stormwater assessment on her Waimama home. That's more than a 230% spike from last year's $42 fee.
With a potential in the future to go up to almost $300 per year.
The stormwater assessment is an annual payment for flood control and water quality improvements. Right now, it's a flat rate, but the county wants to create a sliding scale based on a home's square footage. But because Chadwick lives on nearly 6 acres, she says her land absorbs stormwater and the county doesn't have to deal with it.
Calculate the size of the lot, subtract the footprint of the house, and then base the actual assessment on how much permeable land there is.
The county tells 8 on Your Side the change is needed to, quote, meet the long-term needs of the system and the residents.
My gut reaction was I'm going to be robbed at gunpoint by the county.
Chadwick's neighbor Mike Jebbia also is not pleased. He lives on a private road, so he says he doesn't even reap the benefits of the fee he's paying for now.
They don't maintain the ditch. They don't mow the grass. They don't do anything.
Now, again, all of this would still need to be approved by the county commissioners, and there is going to be a public hearing here at the county center. That's on August 7th at 10 a.m. Live in downtown Tampa, Victoria Price, 8 on Your Side.